Okay, so to draw this on, I'm going to have to create a plane that comes down an angle like this. So if we do start with a plane at an angle, I'm going to be at an angle to that edge there. Yeah, something like 15 degrees there. Might have to come back and change that, about 15 degrees. And then we'll offset that in slightly so it cuts through the middle of this upright there. So we're going to do 0.3, I think. And then we'll create a sketch on that plane. Actually, let's go back. Let's undo that. You can see when I go to create that sketch that it's not quite, the angle's not quite right. So if I can change that angle, let's try that as 10 degrees. Create that. So the line again is not right, so it's going to be somewhere in the middle here. Let's try -0.5. There you go, that's lined up much better. So if I create that drawing now on there, and yeah, let's slice that from the top downwards. Good. Yeah, that's showing what I need to see now. So we need to start with a rectangular shape. We'll start it up here. That sort of position. And then we're going to have another rectangular shape that's going to go through these two. So 0.4. That's 0.4 wide on that one. Let's define the width of this one as 0.4 as well. And then you can draw two lines which go from there to there and there to there. And if we draw, let's extrude them. I'll come back in a second. Why are they not multiple selecting? Holding caps lock rather than shift there. So if I extrude these initially, I can come back and define them if I'm happy with the position. Let's turn that direction. And we're going to do symmetrical extrusion. And we're going to do 0.2, which gives us 0.4 thickness. And again, new body, so otherwise it's going to link here. Click on OK. Good. Obviously that should be behind, it should be in front of the frame here. Again though, I think we're not going to notice it in Engage or double. I think you can change it if you want to, but I think I'm going to go with what I've got here as a little sort of like a compromise. Might come back in the sketch. Now I'm going to have to extrude across there to round that off. Let's have a look at the pictures and see how the handle reacts after. These ones. It comes out again. Okay, so let's go back into here, edit the sketch again. Slice it. Okay, we've got another rectangle sort of in this position, forwards. Forward again. And pick up these two profiles as well. Okay, I'm going to go with that as my handbrake. So what I now need to do is combine these bodies that we've got here. So we need, let's rename that one so we don't get that picked up by mistake. So that's cradle. Okay, so for some reason that's fine, they're fine. That one. Okay, so this, I need to change that now. Turn that off. Turn the cradle off. Turn those off. So I'm going to turn these all into one part now. So combine. Oops. I use control here to select these. I was holding shift by mistake. So we've got those four as to one part. Okay, let's turn these back on. And then we can copy the handbrake, paste the handbrake. Okay, so first thing is flip it around 180. And then we'll try and move it across into position. Okay, so that looks like that might be okay position-wise, that direction. Height-wise is absolutely fine. I'm going to just change that to 27.1, I think. No. I'm going to go 27. That looks better. Okay, and if we click on OK there. Okay, so we've now got. Wait a minute. That's hanging out too far. So edit that feature again. Okay, and we need to move that inwards. Need to come in a little bit more, and then we need to edit the thickness of this part here. Going to move it in by 0.1. Extrude that in slightly. Minus 0.2. Not 0.4, it's got to be. Extrude. Minus 0.2. There we go. Does that look fine? No, it doesn't. Why is this looking different? I think it must be something to do the way it comes in. I wonder if this is a different width. It is. Position of this is wrong. Why is that? Okay, I'm going to spend a little bit of time working out why this looks like it's further inboard than this side. Once I've worked that out, I shall come back to you.